Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to enter 20-digit number in Excel. Make sure Excel has a 15-digit precision limit for numbers. If you type a 20 digits number, Excel will automatically convert it to scientific notation and change everything after the 15 digits to 0. So in the first matter, you need to use the apostrophe trick. Before you starting typing, type a single apostrophe followed by your 20 digits number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, double 0. Hit enter. And here, Excel will display all 20 digits exactly as entered and won't use scientific notation. So in the second method, if you have a whole column of long numbers to enter, it is better to change the cell format first. So first you need to select the cells where you want to enter the numbers. Then go to the Home tab and in the number group, click the drop down menu which usually says General. Scroll to the bottom and select Tags. Now type your 20 digits number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hit enter. And here you can see that. So keep in mind, once a number is formatted as text, you cannot perform standard math like additions or subtraction on it because Excel no longer recognizes it as a numerical value. I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.